Selling a property, do I need to disclose things like, say, if the house is haunted?
Well, Jason, that's an interesting question that you're asking me on the eve of Halloween. The answer probably is no. You don't have to disclose that your house is haunted. But on the other hand, you may want to advertise that your house is haunted. It may raise the price, may attract a different group of buyers who will probably turn it into a bed and breakfast for people who want to experience living or sleeping in a haunted house. But the answer really is no. You have no obligation to tell prospective buyers that your house is haunted. In fact, you probably don't have much of an obligation to tell buyers anything. Pretty much the rule of buyer beware still controls. The buyer is probably charged with having an engineer go in, look at the property, and probably also the buyer should do some due diligence and in finding out a little about the community that they're buying into, the type of schools that are there, any new developments that may be going in, any new offices, or even a prison or something like that, or a highway going through town. The buyer is usually charged with having to find all that stuff out themselves. In New York in 2002, they passed a law, the property disclosure law, that told sellers that they had to give buyers a 6-page, 48-question questionnaire about the condition of their property, the roof, the heating system, if there are any violations against the property, if there are any boundary line problems. Uh, do you think people answered that? No. The legislature also said that if you don't answer those 48 questions, you can give the buyer a $500 credit at closing, and you'll be relieved of the obligation to make any representation as to the condition of the property. So basically in New York, it's still a buyer beware. If you have paranormal activity in there, hey, maybe you want to advertise it, you get a higher price at a different group of people. But other than that, you probably don't have to disclose much about your house when you're selling it.